the Hohem iSteady X. Now remember, gimbals are incredible things. You know, the main reason we can't get steady photography is because the human body is built in such a way that every time we move, we have lateral movement, we have vertical movement, we have all kind of movements, up, down, left, right, and it's impossible for a phone to actually keep up to our body movement when we are actually moving. Yes, optical image stabilization, yes, they put in some software, but it cannot compensate for our movement. But if you want rock steady movement, and you want absolutely a smooth video footage, then you need a gimbal. And gimbal used to be only in the domain of professionals, only used for movies and stuff like that. But now it's really come down that you can actually buy one for your phone. And this one costs about 6,000 rupees. So let's take a look at what all it can actually do.
Creators, vloggers and Instagrammers, this one is for you. You can now channel your inner Nolan with this smartphone gimbal and maybe not burn a big hole in your pocket. This is the Hohem iSteady X smartphone gimbal, which is priced at 6,990 rupees. What does this gimbal bring to the table, and can it give us buttery smooth pans and tilts? Let's assemble the iSteady X and get started. The Hohem iSteady X is not a wieldy gimbal. It is light enough to be carried around and can even take on phones heavier than the entire unit, is just 259 grams. This is probably the lightest smartphone gimbal around. And luckily in the box, you also get this tripod, which is excellent for vloggers. Mount your phone, download the Hohem Pro app, and you're ready to go. The gimbal, once connected to the phone via Bluetooth, self-calibrates. You can record with the touch of this button and zoom in or out, or even change focus with this TW button. First, let's tell you everything we liked about the iSteady X gimbal. The app is easy to get used to. There are some fun presets like an inception mode, rotation, panoramic video and more. There's a lot to play around with. If not the presets, you can control things yourself with this little joystick. This is the result of the inception mode we tried with this gimbal. Smooth, steady, the 3-axis gimbal does pretty well. There's a 45 degrees offset arm, so the wide angle will not let the gimbal come into the frame. This takes some practice, and not just videos, you can also click pictures with this. Phones of any size fit into the stand, so there's no problem with compatibility here. The battery does decently as well, and there is a battery indicator on the stand. There's a one-touch button that can turn the phone into portrait or landscape. A lot of the settings have to be controlled only through the app, which is slightly limiting. The zoom controls on the gimbal only work if you are shooting through the app. We wish the calibration was a tad bit better on this, and with no focus lock or subject lock, the gimbal steers away from the subject at times. It also drained the battery on our phone pretty fast. So yes, the Hohem iSteady goes light on the pocket, both with its near 7,000 rupees price tag and with its weight. It is simple to use, and if you are a vlogger or content creator, this might be a great buy for you. It may not guarantee inception-like success, but it sure will help you get great shots for your videos.